Good day, honorable judges and respected juries. I am Shrika Mahanti and she is Shivika Mahanti from Taman Lauti Secondary School, Malaysia. I am here today to present my innovation called Hypothermia Portable Heat Stroke Predictor. Honorable judges and juries, heat stroke is a life-threatening condition due to the potential for multi-organ dysfunction with typical complications including seizures, rhabdomyolysis, or kidney failure. It occurs when body can no longer regulate its temperature. The body temperature rises rapidly, the sweating mechanism fails, and the body is unable to cool down. When heat stroke occurs, the body temperature rises above 37.7 degrees Celsius. A temperature increases of more than 37.7 degrees Celsius is indicative of heat stroke. Weather is an important matter in our life. We simply can't ignore it as there are lots of activity carried out by humans depends on the weather's condition. The weather has a significant impact in our life. We really cannot ignore it because human numerous activity depends on the weather of the state. Today, we need to identify the type of the weather before deciding on the risk and the contingency action. Different weather has a different impact and effect. As such, we use portable heat stroke predictor method to determine the impact and the risk. Dear judges, as we know, Industry 7.0 is one that integrates advanced manufacturing techniques with the Internet of Things (IoT) to create manufacturing systems that are not only interconnected but communicates, analyzes, and uses the information to drive further intelligent action in the physical world. Thus, our hypothermia is live with Industry 4.0 and has integrated IoT. Honorable judges and juries, hypothermia is a changing environment sensing instrument which uses three main primary parameters such as air temperature, air humidity, and air pressure to predict the risk related to change in weather. The hypothermia is a changing environment sensing instrument that predicts the risk associated with weather changes using three key parameters: air temperature, air humidity, and air pressure. Hypothermia runs an algorithm that able to use these three weather parameters for the prediction. Hypothermia implements an algorithm that is capable for using these three weather parameters for the prediction. The basic fundamental behind this innovation is the classic barometer. Honorable judges and juries, allow me to demonstrate to you how hypothermia works. I am now in an indoor area where the air temperature and humidity are relatively in normal condition. Therefore, the system will also show as good weather. Now, I am going to turn on the hair dryer and place it near the temperature sensor to increase the temperature more than 36 degrees Celsius. At the same time, the air temperature will also automatically drop as the area is getting warmer. As you can see, the system is showing as heat stroke. This is not exactly we want our hypothermia to show its risk itself. There are other risks that hypothermia can show, such as flash flood and lightning. But unfortunately, we can't reproduce this weather condition in this indoor area. All we need to do is place our hypothermia in any other outdoor environment and it will show its risk accordingly. Honorable judges and juries, Industrial Revolution 4.0 is one that integrates advanced manufacturing techniques with the Internet of Things (IoT) to create manufacturing systems that are not only interconnected but communicates, analyzes, and uses the information to drive further intelligent action back in the physical world. Honorable judges and juries, allow me to explain on the design function. Hypothermia uses the following parts: Arduino Nano as main processor, BNB280 3-in-1 combo sensor, air humidity, air pressure, and air temperature, Strive VDC power adapter, Bluetooth module, MIT application developer for Android devices, Arduino IDE C/C++ compiler, enclosure, and LEDs. The beyond sensor reads the three environmental data. The results from the data will be displayed on the mobile device as weather warning risk via Bluetooth communication. Honorable judges and juries, hypothermia is only cost IM250 and comes with the app for Android. This app has the capability to display the part of the weather and the risk due to the weather. The material that we use to build this prototype is very cost effective and priority given on the safety measurement, and it's very user friendly. Benefits of this invention. Hypothermia will be a major breakthrough for medical and environmental industry. It also will be benefiting the society. Following are the benefits. As preventive and corrective tool to overcome heat stroke effect, lack of awareness on heat stroke among society, This invention will be a major breakthrough for medical field and platform to identify factors and solutions on heat stroke. This would benefit meteorological department as weather forecast and contingency action for natural disaster, benefit environmental study and research. At the moment, we have only built one hypothermia system and installed in my school as a pilot project. Once the pilot project is successful, we have planned to commercialize this invention. The process will be decided later once we have approached the manufacturing process. Our aim is to keep the price as low as possible so that it can be more profitable and it can be installed as many places as possible. In a nutshell, this invention is also in line with United Nations Sustainable Development Goals (SDG). Goal 9. Build resilient infrastructure, promote sustainable industrialization and foster innovation. And Goal 15. Life on land, protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of industrialization, terrestrial ecosystems, combat desertification and health, and reverse land degradation and health biodiversity loss. This is hypothermia portable heat stroke predictor from me, Viveka Mahaganapati and Shrika Mahaganapati. Thank you so much for your valuable time and attention.